Morning, everybody. Business standard. This is the business standard. Sensex 38,697.1. Nifty 11,417 up 169.4. Sensex 629.1. Nifty features 11,435.5 18.6. Dollar 73.2, 73.8, euro 85.8, 86.5, Brent crude 38.9, 41.2, gold 10 grams 5211.0, 29. Recovery pickup pace. Good tidings for economy as key indicators like tax collections, manufacturing, car sales show signs of rebound ahead of festive season. Some sector till lag. Geofabulum to rise 14,700 CR via invested offer. 25k CR more to be raised by way of debt. NSE faces regulators heat for investing in unrelated bids. Food measures seared over Fesci roadblock near schools. Now, companies revised PLI schemes for black drugs on the courts. Dhanalakshmi Bank Board Appointment Committee. Bond dealers not sure of full term borrowing plan. Pay interest to pledgers on credit shall amount SC. Nifty this week. This week 11,050. Now 11,417 up mode. This week is very up. Next net change 367 points. Change 3.3. Top Nifty 50 gains losers. Sindhu Bank September 25th 514.9, 592.2 up to 15%. Now Bajaj Finance 3,139.00, 3,442.80, 9.7. C Cement 19,008.50, 20,611, 8.4. Losers BPCL 375.8 minus 6%, 353.3. HCL Technology 827.7, 813. Bharati Airtel 439.9, 432.4 minus 1.7. Today market closed. Stock, currency and commodities markets will remain closed on account of Gandhi Jayanti. Today Gandhi Jayanti. Now present your WhatsApp messages are encrypted but turn up to the fire away. 8% super spreaders account for 60% new infections. Now present this news. Not all infected transmitted the diseases. Age groups 15 to 17 infected 15.4% of contact. Age group 18-39. Men were 62% more likely to die of COVID-19 than women. Risk of transmission was high when sharing convenience. Now being social with a distance of COVID response restaurants. Now present Rahul Priyanka arrested on way to Hastra Letaf is agitation. The Gandhi were detained for violating a ban on large gatherings. They were later released and taken by the policemen back to Delhi. Now GA fiber arm to rise 14,700 crores via invest offer. NSE faces regulators heat for investigation unrelated breach. This is the uh, middle pages. One is Hindustan Signucidia Intellect Design Agra is upmood 80 rupees to 100 rupees. Now presents some stocks up, some stocks down. Unlock 5 hopes of as stimulus left indices over 1.5%. Sensex Nifty post weekly gain of 3.5%. In steady rise, Nifty 15 intraday. Now small IPS use big names to sell shares. Star Power, Brookfield volume outlook, premiumization give Bajaj Auto a sped boost. Gas price reduction to fuel earnings loss for ONGC Oil India. Now present uh, government taken decision percentage natural gas amount cut, price cut some percentage, but use of natural gas projects is earning to gains. Why? This is investment in natural gas using to gas consumers. Another electricity project also used to gas and production, but this is the two companies loss, another all of profit. Euro starts legal action against UK at Brexit talks it impasses. Now H&M's new CEO gets thorough with plan to shoot 250 stores. Now DMart starting at Reliance Challenge. What changes with the new medical regulators in place? Now India must stick to flexible inflation targeting Acharya. Now first BIP aircraft Air India one for President PM. One now present farmers the threaten in intensify stare as the prices drop. Now farmers agitation farmer agitation. The central government introduced the bill benefit of corporate companies only, not farmers. Farmers is loss. Opposition parties told in parliament and outside also agitation and gathering farmers and agitation pick up. Mubadala picks up to 1.4 stake in Reliance Retail for 6,247 crores. TV supply chain set to launch 1100 crores warehousing venture. Auto farms raise dispatch a bumper festive sales, positive sales, festive sales. Conroriasus may gain from LVP board battle. Now Dhanalakshmi Bank RBI okays interim panel to run up. Now JSTC awaits fact of Bhushanam power acquisition. Now B.S. Dharona, now director of Hero Motorcorp Auto Parts import from China, plummeted 42% in April July. Embassy raises 750 CR through the debenture in question 2. Have declined stay order bearing Lodha from heading MP Birla forms. Peer Techno Index uh, Majimanda show to board of directors. Now this is the end of the news. But yesterday night agitation, Mr. Working President Revant Reddy Padayatra Gandhi Bhavan to BJP office. Now present yesterday night police arrested to all of Congress leaders. Thank you very much.